following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 3:15 p.m. At 1:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Midway Airport, or 11 nautical miles west of 31st Street Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located over New Lenox, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Roseland, Lansing, Oak Forest, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Alsip, Madison, Mokina, and Frankfort. This includes University of St. Francis, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Shanahan State Park, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Lake, Livingston, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2 p.m. At 1:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Grove, or over Buffalo Grove, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Mundelein, Highland Park, Wilmette, Vernon Hills, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Lake Forest, Rolling Meadows, and Deerfield. This includes Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake Forest College, and Ravinia Music Festival. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DuPage County
I thought it
is
would have
canceled.
never ended.